My name is Beverly Searle and I'm a mental health consultant and also an independent researcher with over 20 years experience of researching the different mental health issues we have, especially if they have developed in childhood. As a former survivor of childhood adversity, I understand the frustrations we find to get the right help for people to understand what's going on with you. I've developed a process called My Envisioned Mind, which allows you in a gentle and powerful way to get what you want out of your life. Now, yes, this isn't normal talking therapy where you could talk for years. This is a gentle and fast process. So, to answer your questions, do anorexics sleep more? That's true, they do. And why is this? Because of malnutrition, the weight loss, and often the starvation. Your body is not getting the correct nutrition to allow you to fall into a healthy sleep. Now, this could all be overcome with the wellness kit I've created. You can do it in your home. And also I've taken into consideration you could do it with somebody else. So it is a kit which has many videos, and the first one introduces the theory in a simpler way to why this is different. Because I say that you must be able to understand how your mind works to be able to understand how you can get well. And this is what the introduction does. And you can understand why we're working with fixtures. It's a fascinating story. So I provide email support. You get ebooks and other little kits to help you on the way. And you'll also have an understanding of how the body-mind connection works. I've also put in a consideration that if you have any little issues you can't seem to correct for yourself, we have email support and there's a consultant on hand to help. Thank you.